a little bit about what I look for when I go to, say, Goodwill or any other secondhand store. I look for a lot of items like that are different. If I found, like the other day, I found these teacups and they were Limoges, France. It turns out they sell for $65 per cup and saucer. So for $7, I got 6 of them. That's something I would definitely, I didn't even look them up. Limoges, France, I'm putting it in the cart. Another thing is Pier 1. There's a lot of Pier 1 plates, mostly salad plates. I think people are eating smaller portions, and I think that's why they're buying the salad plates, which seem to be more popular. You can get those at Goodwill, yard sales. Pier 1 went out of business, so if you have a plate and you break one and you need a replacement, you're going to go on eBay and look for one. I've sold a lot of Pier 1 plates. Next thing I sell is plush animals. I picked up a plush animal for 50 cents and it was valued at $300. I had somebody made me an offer for $100 and I decided to sell it. That was a great profit, so why not? I don't want to hang on to my inventory. I don't need top dollar. If you pay 50 cents, the rule is sell it 6 times what you paid for it. So really for $3.50, I should have sold it much cheaper, but $100 is $100. What other things do I pick up? I love figurines. Figurines I do so well with, especially like the Joseph originals. Those sell really great for me, and probably between $38 and $58. I did sell one for $85, but it was the custard, and it glows with a black light. That's another thing that's really hot right now, is uranium glass. Huge right now. So I've been to Goodwill 2 days in a row, and the nice thing about doing that, going more often, is that I don't spend as much time because I know what's been there and what's new. Yesterday I picked up these butterfly cards made by, oh gosh, I can't remember, but I'll post a picture. I got 2 cases of these butterfly postcards. I think it's Stockman, and I saw one on eBay, just one, selling for $6.99. I will probably sell the case of them for $35 just to get them out the door, and hopefully they sell. But they were just such an oddity, I had to grab them. So yeah, look for odd items, look for unique things that you don't normally see, because unique, weirdo items sell. And they sell a lot quicker than regular items. All right, so I'll continue this, but I'm gonna